Instruction movie how to install pressure fit gate on the stairs with a baby. You're gonna need the baby and the gate. First we need to check manual. Now we have to open the gate. If you can read that. Now we have to check what's in the box. Okay. Thank you. What else do we have? Very good. Brilliant. 4 screws goes into the 4 corners over here. Now we have to install those 4 rings on the wall. There is 2 options. You can use double-sided tape, but in my opinion it's much safer to use the screws. After carefully check manual, we start installing the gate. In this part you have to keep the baby busy, so I recommend do the washing. I just bought for myself 1 hour 30 minutes, so we can install the gate. Those bolts goes into all 4 corners. The gate is more or less installed at the moment. Now the gate from the closing side has to be leveled. I will use this key for it. As you can see, it's leveled now, so we can close the gate. This gate will be tested on animals. Okay, so is it working? Very good. Don't give me that eyes. Testing successful. Instruction movie how to install. Instruction movie how to install. Don't laugh now.